Welcome to JobScreener AI. In this video, we're going to create a new project. Once you sign in, you land into the home page. You have an option to start a new project by clicking this icon right here which says create a new project, or you can click on the left side menu by clicking on new project. Let's go ahead and create a new project. So you have several options to start the project. You can either enter a free text, just like you would enter on any AI chat interface, such as ChatGPT or Claude or Google's Gemini. Other options are to create from an existing template or using one of your posted URLs on the web, or you can create it manually from scratch. In this example, we're going to create it manually from scratch. If you have a client, go ahead and list it here. Select from the client you've already created. If not, this is optional and you can leave it blank. Next, you would enter the position you are hiring for. And in this case, we're hiring for a customer service representative. If there's a requisition number open, you can enter it here, or you can leave it blank. The next would be entering the job description. I'm going to copy paste an example here of a role for ABC Corporation that's based in San Francisco, California. You would do a create project, so it would create a new project. Now you have an options here to add candidates, and so you have a couple of options here. You can add a new candidate by clicking on upload new candidates, or add existing candidates if they are present in your database. The next one would be to set up an interview. So here I have an example of an interview that I've set up. There are two different categories. One's for general, and the second is for cultural fit. You would enter the questions. In this example, I have 3 questions that I've set, and there are 3 expected answers. Similarly, on the culture fit section, I have 3 questions and 3 expected answers. I'm going to save that. And next you would do is go under the settings, and you can choose any AI agent voice that you would want. You can also hear a sample of the voice by clicking on play sample. If you make any changes, don't forget to save it. Next, you could change the temperature, and in this one, I want a notch higher to be 0.6, and the interruption threshold to be somewhere around 760 milliseconds. I'm going to save that. I will go back to interview, make sure you have everything ready. Next thing would be to choose a date range where the candidate would be able to schedule the interview. I select next 7 days, and that's it. All you do now is go live by clicking on active and activate the project.